Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk to you about BrakeBest brake pads. BrakeBest offers a few different brake pad formulations for most vehicles, so today let's take a closer look at each one. The first, our most cost-effective offering, BrakeBest brake pads are a good choice for everyday driving and are available for most cars, trucks, and SUVs. They're designed and manufactured for brake performance that's consistent and reliable, restoring original quality braking using OE-matched organic or semi-metallic friction formulations. Our next option is BrakeBest Select brake pads. In addition to being a reliable choice for everyday driving, BrakeBest Select pads include features like slots, chamfers, and multi-layer shims to reduce brake noise, increase brake pad life and performance, and provide smoother stops. Friction formulas in our BrakeBest Select line include semi-metallic and ceramic options depending on the vehicle's original brake pad design. These brake pads are integrally molded for increased durability, and most BrakeBest Select pads also include new stainless steel replacement hardware. Finally, our most advanced brake pad design, BrakeBest Select Pro. These premium brake pads provide the highest quality braking performance available for domestic vehicles. With improvements engineered to complement your vehicle's original equipment and specially formulated brake-in coating, BrakeBest Select Pro pads deliver better fitment and simple, seamless installation. Noise-canceling shims and semi-metallic or ceramic friction formulas that match factory specs provide quiet stops that are safe and smooth, making BrakeBest Select Pro a professional-grade brake pad option that's long-lasting, dependable, and easy to install. BrakeBest Select Pro pads also include brand new stainless steel PTFE rubber-coated hardware where applicable to ensure the best possible stopping performance and extend the life of your next brake job. No matter what vehicle you drive, all of our BrakeBest products are available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. We hope this video has been helpful, but if you still have questions, we'd love for you to stop by a store, O'ReillyAuto.com, or contact us on social media. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our new content. We'll see you again soon.